Meditation is the art of being distant from the world, even living in the world. You are not very close to any experience of somebody. You have distance with the experience of everybody. There is nothing called a world actually. It is only 5 elements only. If I take away 5 elements, everything will be crushed now. There is nothing called money. There is nothing called relatives. There is nothing called my own life. There is nothing called house. Don't live in knowledge. Don't live in moods that this is what has happened. I am very happy today. See, if you are happy today, you are defining yourself. Don't be happy with a certain person. Be happy on 2 issues only, with the God and with the self. Be as much happy as you can. Choose something which will never be. You are not defining yourself because that is undefinable. You are now merging in infinite. When you merge yourself with infinite, then you are not defining yourself. You are undefining yourself. Meditation is a process of undefining. From confusing to diffusing. I am diffusing my identity. Because that God is infinite. See the world with the God or with the self. And see yourself not with impressions of the world. See yourself with the realization of the God. Either you define I am of the God, either you say no, I am the self. Don't define as a mother and try to solve child's problem. You can never solve. Finite cannot solve the problem of the finite. Well, then who am I? If I am not the mother, who is the mother? No, you are acting as a mother. You are acting mother. Main mother is Ishwar only. That is Durga Ji's and Kali Ji's role. Main father is Shiva Ji only. You are only an expression. Moment you become finite and try to solve the problem, I tell you, I guarantee you, you will make more problem. So last time you saw Yamaha, you remember that? What I should not do, I should be wary of. And today we will see Niyamaha. So there are 5 Niyamaha. Shauch, Santosh, Tapaha, Swadhyay, Ishwar, Pranidhanani. Shaucham is of course outer sanity, but it is more mental, emotional hygiene is required. Emotionally we should not be dirty. Santosh means God has not given you something, what you don't have in prarabdha, you don't miss it. Third was tapasya. Tapasya means toughening yourself. Choose some difficulty. Choose some self-chosen pain should be there. Making your emotional life tough, physical life tough. Sit for a little more hour. Master half an hour of non-movement. Then master 45 minutes. One day you can master 4 hours, 5 hours without moving. That is called Asana Siddhi. Swadhyay. Swadhyay mainly means try to see, refer mentally what scripture said. Mental satsang should not stop. Outer satsang will stop. Mental should continue 24 hours. And last is Ishwar Pranidhanani. Ultimately, my refuge is God. Lie with Him, talk to Him. Only I can't, all these things are very difficult. God will do for you. Make Him main doer. You just become His tail. Just follow Him. Don't become the horn. Just become the tail. This is a facilitator. I am committed to this. Please note, these 5 things will facilitate what? Distance between you and I. Distance between wrong identity and unidentified I. This is a wise living. Now I will take you to meditation. Now it was lifestyle. Now we will be doing, we are exclusively giving attention, taking away everybody from our mind. Today we will see meditation on the personal God. In future meditation classes, we will see meditation on the self.